Hello fellow travelers, welcome to my channel. I'm Traveling Karina and today I'm excited to share with you my experience at the Harbor House in Galveston, Texas. If you are seeking information about this pre-cruise accommodation, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share all things Harbor House, including a tour of our room, my full review, info about the hotel and surrounding area, and details about the amenities that make this place so special. We had the pleasure of staying at the Harbor House in September 2023, the night before embarking on our Carnival Vista cruise. Our decision to choose the Harbor House as our pre-cruise accommodation was primarily based on its incredible proximity to the cruise ship terminals. It's literally steps away, and while it's entirely possible to walk to the terminals, it's worth noting that navigating the pathway with luggage can be a bit uneven. We were fortunate to receive a complimentary shuttle pass from the hotel for drop-off before our cruise, so we went with that option, considering we also had cases of pop to transport as well. After our cruise, we did decide to walk from the ship to the Harbor House to store our luggage for a few hours while awaiting our airport transportation. The route involved crossing a few trolley tracks and rough patches in the pavement, but it's certainly manageable. Another reason we chose to stay at the Harbor House was due to its reputation as being situated close to a fun tourist destination, and it lived up to our expectations. The Harbor House is conveniently situated within walking distance of the Strand, a charming historic district lined with quaint shops, historic architecture, and many dining options. For those looking for cases of pop or soda, we've found two stores in the area. One is named the Cruise Stop, and the other is a nearby convenience store, although I can't recall its name. The latter store had a more extensive selection, but please be aware that prices in this area tend to be slightly higher. If you have the option to purchase elsewhere, you might want to consider it, but these stores do provide the convenience of availability. Alright, we are back at the Harbor House and I'm going to give you a tour of our spacious hotel room with two queen beds. Before I go into detail about the room amenities and give my final thoughts, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I enjoy sharing my experiences in cruising, hotel stays, and all-inclusive resorts, helping you gain insights before embarking on your own adventures. I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you. The bathroom was a good size. We did find it a bit strange that there wasn't a proper soap holder, so we improvised by leaving it in the sink. Not ideal, but we worked around it. The room accommodated the four of us quite nicely, lots of space for our luggage and sleeping arrangements. Our stay was truly enjoyable, thanks to an array of wonderful perks. As I had mentioned earlier, the hotel's proximity to both the Strand and cruise port, along with the complimentary shuttle service, made our visit incredibly convenient. Additionally, our room offered complimentary Wi-Fi and the inclusion of a fridge and microwave, which added extra comfort to our stay. We didn't use the microwave, but the fridge helped store medications and drinks. Another fantastic perk was the hotel's complimentary breakfast, featuring a selection of items including muffins, yogurt, cereals, fresh fruit, and coffee. If I were to nitpick to find something wrong with the room, the only minor downside was the lighting. There was just one small bulb in the ceiling lighting fixture and a couple lamps, which made the room somewhat dim. However, it's worth mentioning that we were treated to a wonderful view of the boardwalk and pier right outside our window. And at approximately 6:30 a.m. the next morning, we were able to see our ship sailing into its terminal directly from our window. That sure got us excited and ready for the day. Would I choose to stay here again? Without a doubt. Fortunately, we were able to utilize our air miles for booking this room, so I highly recommend exploring that option if you're a frequent collector. As I have highlighted, the numerous perks of staying here are undeniable. Have a great vacation, and I will see you in my next video.